What am I even doing? What the hell am I doing here? Let's go see. Hello? Hello? Okay, guys, I have to do this in 3, 2, 1. Ah! There's no one there. Wait, what is that? What is that? Oh, it's a birdie. Oh, it's pink. What? Is it a baby? Let's go take it inside. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's a bird. It's a Hatchimal bird. It's a real Hatchimal bird. It's real. Wait. No, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Oh, I got a perfect thing for you. Hey, little birdie. I'm gonna call you Pinky. Is that okay? Is that okay? Is that okay, little birdie? Yeah, look. I haven't done a video like 1 week or 2 weeks, and I really want to make a video about you. Is that okay? Is that okay, little birdie? Oh no, come on. The video's great. The video's great. You're going so well in the video. Okay, can you see, guys? Yep, you can see. Come on, it's okay, Pinky. Do you like that name? Then you should like this bowl in the video. See, look at you. I never had a bird before. Anyway, what do you want to do today, little birdie? Wait, you hungry? Eat this! What do you want to eat today, little birdie? You're not hungry again? You're not hungry? I thought you said you was hungry. Stop being stupid, little birdie. I'm a Pinky. I got the perfect game for you. Stop talking to the people, Pinky. I know they don't like you. Please don't like it. She's cuckoo. Anyway, little birdie, I want you to draw something. Draw something, please. Have you done it? Okay. So what does it say? By the way, that's not how you draw an E. it's meant to be this way. Idiot. Anyway, I hate Pinky. I got something for you, actually. Wait, no, do another one. Do a picture this time. Do a picture. Okay, do a picture. Doing a picture? Wait, where's my body then? You don't know? You're taking well too long. Pinky! Look at this, guys. Look at this. That's horrible. If you can see it. It's good. If you can't, I can't show it to you. It is horrible. I'm sorry if you didn't hear me there. I'm just really mad. I'm really mad at you. What do you not like me for? What did I ever done to you? What's it? I'm mad at you. I'm mad at you. I'm mad at you because you just let me eat this stupid pen. I do not like that, so I'm getting my revenge. See you being mean to me. I'm sorry. I'm just really mad. Why are you even mad for? Because you're annoying me. I have to write lots of these. So you're stupid, annoying, mean, selfish, horrible, naughty, nasty, terrible, stupid. No. Guys, comment down below what is try and think of something mean, like she's stupid, annoying, mean, selfish, horrible, naughty, nasty, terrible. Think of try and think of something mean that I don't know. So comment down below. Comment down below. Oh, I got one. I'm pretty, fluffy, kind, good, and gold. I'm amazing. Well, I'm lovely, not good, and I'm the best. I'm smart and helpful, and I'm cute. Oh yeah. You're ugly. You're bad. You stink.